Welcome to 23277 South 215th Street in the Villages at Queen Creek, perfectly positioned on a premium golf course lot with beautiful views of the second hole. Inside, you'll find extensive 20 by 20 tile flooring, vaulted ceilings, 2-inch blinds, and surround sound with in-ceiling speakers that enhance the main living space. The kitchen provides generous cabinet storage, a pantry, smooth top range, and built-in microwave with easy flow dining and living areas. The spacious owner's suite features vaulted ceilings and a bay window, creating a bright and relaxing retreat. The secondary bedrooms offer flexibility for guests, family, or a home office. This single-level home offers a smart split great room floor plan with 4 bedrooms and a layout designed for both comfort and functionality. Step outside to a covered patio overlooking a landscape backyard with grass, mature trees, and view fencing that captures the golf course setting. Whether you're enjoying a quiet morning or entertaining in the evening, the outdoor space is designed to take full advantage of the location.